everyone, welcome you all in this video. This video will be totally dedicated to those students who really want to prepare for the IIT JEE. So let's start the video without waste of time. So IIT stands for Indian Institute of Technology. JEE is the name of the examination, Joint Entrance Examination. So this paper is divided in two parts. JEE is basically divided in two parts, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Purpose of this examination is simply getting admission in top IIT colleges and top engineering colleges. As I told you, this paper is divided in two parts, JEE Mains, which is conducted by National Testing Agency, and JEE Advanced, which is conducted by top 7 IITs like IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati, IIT Madras. These IIT colleges conducting the paper of advance on the rotational basis. For example, in 2025, the paper was conducted by IIT Kanpur, and in 2026, the paper will be conducted by IIT Roorkee, and in 2027, the paper will be conducted by IIT Delhi. So these IITs conduct the paper of advance on the rotational basis. Now we are going to discuss about the JEE Mains. So in the JEE Mains, candidates will be getting total 75 questions. 25 questions from the mathematics, 25 questions from the chemistry, 25 questions from the physics. They will be getting total 75 questions, and total marks will be 300 marks. They will be getting total time of 3 hours timing for this paper. This paper will be totally conducting in CBT mode, means computer based test. For JEE Advanced, the syllabus is also similar as a JEE Mains. Candidates will be getting questions from like physics, mathematics or chemistry in JEE Advanced. But there is like 2 papers, and both papers will be like compulsory. And candidates will be getting 3 hours for the both paper, and that will be also in a CBT mode, like that will be also in a computer based test. Now we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria. Before that, I want to share one important information with you. Like candidates will be getting total 6 attempts for the JEE Mains in a 3 years, and they will be getting just 2 attempts for the JEE Advanced in a 3 years. So this is the most important information, guys. Now back to eligibility criteria. So candidate must have be like clear their 12th from the physics, chemistry and the mathematics, and they have to score 75% if they are belongs from the general category. If they are comes from the like SC/ST category, then they have to score 65%. Appearing candidates are also eligible for these 2 papers like JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. If someone is able to clear the like JEE Mains, then they are eligible for the JEE Advanced if their score or their rank will be in a rank 1 to rank 2,50,000. Like if you are participate in the JEE Mains paper and you are in a rank 1 to rank 2,50,000, then you are eligible for the JEE Advanced paper. As I told you, this paper is divided in 2 parts, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So if you will be clear the JEE Mains, then you can go for the JEE Advanced. Or if you don't want to take admission in IIT colleges, then you don't want to participate in the JEE Advanced, then you can go for the NIT colleges, triple IT colleges, ISC colleges. There is a lots of like a top institutions and colleges or universities. But if you want to take admission in IIT colleges, then you have to go for the advanced paper also. Now we are going to discuss about why IIT. So if you will be selected in the IIT colleges, then these are the top colleges. So you have the opportunity to like learn from the top colleges of the nation. Apart from that, you will be learn from the top faculty members or top teachers of the country. And of course, if you will be getting a learning from the top teachers, it means you will have also good knowledge, and that's why you will be getting a good placement in your life. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you want to ask anything, you can drop a comment, and please share this video with your friends and kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.